What if I told you that you can start a real AI-powered business with $0, no coding skills and no prior experience? In today's video, I'll show you the best AI business ideas you can start for free, even as a complete beginner. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI, online business, and smart ways to make money. Let's break down real AI business ideas you can start today with $0. Idea number 1, AI content writing business. What it is: helping businesses write blog posts, website content, product descriptions, social media captions, tools needed, free, ChatGPT, free, Google Docs, earning potential, $300, $2,000 per month, how to start, learn basic prompts, create 3 sample articles, offer services on Fiverr and Upwork. You're selling results, not AI. Idea number 2, AI video creation business. What it is: creating YouTube videos, TikTok and Instagram Reels, faceless videos, tools needed, InVideo AI, free plan, CapCut earning potential, $5.50 per video, how to start, generate scripts with ChatGPT, create videos with AI, sell to YouTubers and brands, high demand, low competition right now. Idea number 3, AI graphic design business. What it is: designing logos, thumbnails, flyers, social media posts, tools needed, Canva AI, free, earning potential, $500, $3,000 monthly, how to start, use Canva templates, customize designs, sell on Fiverr or Etsy, no design degree needed. Idea number 4, AI voiceover and audiobook business. What it is: creating voiceovers, audiobooks, YouTube narrations, ads, tools needed, ElevenLabs, free tier, ChatGPT, earning potential, $20, $300 per project, how to start, generate scripts, convert to AI voice, deliver audio files, perfect if you don't want to show your face. Idea number 5, AI social media management. What it is: managing social media for businesses using AI, tools needed, ChatGPT, Canva AI, Meta Scheduler, earning potential, $300, $1,500 per client, how to start, generate content calendars, schedule posts, manage multiple clients, scales very fast. Idea number 6, AI prompt selling business. What it is: creating and selling ChatGPT prompts, workflow templates, automation prompts, tools needed, ChatGPT Gumroad, free, earning potential, $100, $5,000 plus, how to start, create useful prompts, package as PDF, sell online, one-time work, repeat income. Idea number 7, AI YouTube automation, best for 2026. What it is: running faceless YouTube channels using AI, tools needed, ChatGPT, InVideo AI, AI voice tools, earning potential, $500, $10,000 plus monthly, how to start, pick a niche, generate scripts, automate video creation, monetize with ads and affiliates, long-term passive income. Beginner roadmap, very important. Step 1, choose one AI business idea. Step 2, master one tool. Step 3, create sample projects. Step 4, offer your service. Step 5, reinvest earnings. Don't try everything at once. Common mistakes to avoid: waiting to be perfect, trying to code AI, not charging for services, giving up too early. AI rewards action takers, not perfectionists. You don't need money to start an AI business. You need knowledge, tools, and action. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI business ideas, comment AI business if you want a full step-by-step guide. See you in the next video.